Hello and welcome to the 100 sub special.
You picked the wrong house, fool! Hey, Big Smoke! It's me, Carl! Chill! CJ.
Today we'll be making a lasagna. We have a frying pan, a very nice frying pan. We'll turn the heat on, get it all the way to the maximum. There we go, number 9 large actually. It's just very hot actually. Don't touch the stove while it's on. Right, little bit of butter. You can also use oil or soap, but I prefer to use butter. This is like salted butter, I don't know, it's just butter. Just slowly around the pan, make the pan nice and slippery, so that all the friction's gone and nothing burns. Right, we speed up the process of this spatula. Oh, look at this, yes. Oh, 10 times faster. Oh, stuck. Go on, there we go. Well, I'll just leave that to melt in the pan. There we go, our butter's nice and molten. Now, the main ingredient. I'll smash it and whoopla. There we go. Oh yeah, nice. That's nice. And now what to do with this? A bin? Yeah, we put in here. May as well. Bye-bye. Right. Oh, yeah, that turned out quite nicely. We'll do another one. Second time's the charm. Ooh. Oh, no. Yeah, that one messed up. Oh, well. A little bit of a mess. So chuck it in our bin. And we'll have to wash our hands. We don't want to get salmonella or anything like that. So, there we go. Nice and clean. Clean hands. Right. Okay, the egg's going well. We'll just even out the yolk and the white. Make it nice and even. Because evens are always good. Even Stevens. There we go. Look at that. Oh, we've still got a hole there. In the middle. That's a bit annoying. Oh well. It's not like we can fix it. It's not going to be a problem, to be honest, because we're just going to fold it over again. Oh well. We'll just leave that to cook. Right. The time has come to turn over the egg. Right. There we go. I'm going to take a step back. And hopla. Oh, we messed up. A little bit of a spillage here. No good. Oh, god damn it. Oh, a little fish shot. Tasty. Right, well, the egg isn't looking 100%, but it's still egg. It's not like it's turned into a vegetable or something. There we go. Yeah, that's better. There we go. That looks 10 times better. Nice. Right, we'll just fold it over, and I guess we'll get some bacon in there. Get that sizzle in. Nice whole grain bacon. It's vegan as well, so you don't have to worry if you're transgendered or anything like that. Oh, we've got 2 here. We'll just split them apart. It's very hot. You've got to be careful. Don't try this at home, or anywhere else for that matter. If you're like on a deserted island and all you've got is water and a pan that is really hot with 2 pieces of bacon stuck together, don't try to unstick them. It's dangerous, and I wouldn't want anyone watching this to be in danger, especially not because of me. That would be good. Right, the bacon's doing well, the egg's doing well. Little turning. Yeah, look at that. Both sides are doing well. Now, what about the bacon? They're just cooking away. The bacon cooks really fast. Really good. Well done, bacon. I like it. Let's turn it over. Oh yeah, look at that! It's starting to brown already. I like it. Right, a little bit of dairy to put on the egg. Welcome to Flavor Town, people. Right, a little bit of cheese. We'll leave that to cook. I'll do nicely. Oh no! That's what I didn't want. Cheese on the pan. It's gonna melt. It's gonna stick to the pan, and it's gonna be a disaster. We'll just fold it over. Make sure nothing else leaves the egg. It all has to stay on the egg. And the bacon's doing real. Again, still doing super well. I love bacon. Bacon's always very nice to me. Right, there we go. Just cooking just flip it a bit. There we go. Oh, no, flip it, more like just juggling. Oh, we've actually made a mess on the stove. Oh, we're burning up. God damn spatula. Get rid of that. God damn it. Look at that. Just seared spatulas. Not good. Right, the egg's doing well. It's broken apart a little bit, but that should be fine. It'll be in the sandwich anyway. Right, just smack it a bit. Bad egg. Falling apart. I think we need more cheese, to be honest. There we go. Loads of it. Oh, still some in the pot. Smack it down. Try not to burn this piece of plastic. Right, there we go. Very cheesy. I like it. I like it very much. Cheese is like my favourite food. Well, second favourite. First is bacon. It's the best. A bit of extra bacon. We don't want 2 pieces. We just want this sliver. Not sliver. Yeah, so 3 pieces of bacon, 2 eggs, lots of cheese. Recipe for a great meal. Very great meal. I suggest you try this at home. Make it nice omelette. Unless you're like under the age of 25, 162. I was gonna add like vegetables, but looks like all there is sour cream. Oh no, we have a cucumber. Fuck sour cream. Excuse my French, but we're doing an English cooking show. There we go. 1 slice of cucumber, and that'll be it. Nice. Very, very green. Right, you can go back there. Goddamn vegetable. I mean, yeah, that looks nice. We'll just tuck it under, making sure it cooks a bit faster, because it came in the pan a bit late, and you don't want to come late, because that's not good. Look at that, sizzling so well. Looking tasty. Yeah, that's the cucumber. Looking good. Oh yeah, our food's doing pretty. What the hell is that sound? What? Get the hell out of my kitchen! What the hell are you doing here? Get away! Oh, God's sake. Right, if we just don't pay attention, he'll go away. Eventually. Bloody damn nuisance. What are the neighbours like? Oh! What are you doing out there now? Oh, God's sake, get away from my moped. I hate goddamn rapscallions. What are they like, eh? Oh, okay, right, you've got 5 minutes to leave. I'm gonna call the police. After this special, we can't just let you guys down. I've gotta cook. Gotta make some egg and bacon and I guess a cucumber. Yeah, we'll keep going. This is good. All right. Well, everything's cooking quite well. The cheese is melting. Maybe a bit faster than I would have wanted it, but it's still a bit bland. Even though we've got a cucumber in there. So we've got some spices, herbs and spices. Which one should we go for? Ooh, what's this one? Mace. Ooh, I like it. What's in here? Okay, what's in the mace?
In the name of the Galactic Senate of the Republic.
Right, I don't think that's gonna go with our dish. God's sake. Right, well we'll just have to do the cucumber. Our bread's in the toaster, toast it up, and we'll butter that in a minute. And just make sure this is all cooked thoroughly, and lively. Yummy. Oh, look at this. It's actually cooking really well. Right, our bread's just popped. There you go, take that out. Put that on the plate. Oh, we need butter as well. That's in the fridge, isn't it? There's loads, isn't it? Yeah, 2 pots. Damn empty fridge. I need to go shopping. But, right. Oh, there we go. Pop that open. Right, one-handed buttering. Oh. Yeah, there we go. This is going well. Oh, there. Oh, we got a oh, no, we don't. Okay. Well, you know what? We don't really need to butter it. We've got loads of like fat in here. Yeah. Look at all the oil. We've got loads. Don't need butter. Right, I think it's about time to plate up. Here we go. 1 scoop on 1 sandwich. Oh, it's gone over. Oh well. I'll just toss that on there as well. And then, oh God's sake, we're making a mess. This is going well. Right, let's just do it the old-fashioned way. Tossing it. Oh no, our cucumber. You know what? I don't even bloody fucking want it. Goddamn vegetables. No one wants vegetables. Hello there. Do you want some vegetables? No? You don't want it? Disgusting! I guess not. Yeah, 100 subs. Pretty exciting. Oh, Jesus Christ, this is hot. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, damn. Yeah. 100 subs. I'm gonna clean this up before the bloody dog eats it. Because dog doesn't want to have human food. It wants to eat its prescripted heroin. There we go. Clean the pan off. Always got to clean up to cook. It's only right. And there we go. Right, thank you guys for sticking through this mess of a video, and thanks for 100 subscribers. This is our outcome. Get this crap out of the way. There we go. Well, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.